So what's up, kamusta? Ayos ba tayo dyan? So ngayong araw na to, meron tayong bibisitahin dito sa may Rusi San Rafael branch. Pero bago yun, pakita ko na rin sa inyo itong nakita natin na bagong kulay din at 2025 version ng Rusi Sparkle 125i. So tara, walk around natin saglit. Alam ko, napanood nyo na yung ating walk around dito na kulay white, pero quick walk around para dito, and then libutin natin yung kanilang branch para at least kapag pumunta kayo rito, alam niyo yung mga makikita niyong motorcycle. So tara, moto-visit natin and walk around na rin natin to. Alam na rin natin yung mga presyo nila. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Ayos na ayos yan.
Got some pain in their life, you can see it in their eyes. They're changing at night underneath the dark skies, forced to become something darker inside. You can feel the switch, feel the shift in the tide. They keep desiring something that's more inspiring. Their brains rewiring, old thoughts they start expiring. They're never tiring, no, now they feel the fight in them. They feel the fire sweep, take over entirely. They feel it growing, it's showing the feelings. They keep overflowing, always stoking the fire. Adrenaline is overloading, hit the mat like a fighter. They never let up, never throwing, giving to their desires. No, they keep working on their focus. They feel the temperature rise, now there is no place to hide. You better dig deep inside and find anything, everything that you could ever need. Every breath that you breathe, dedicated to believe. Streets that they called home, not for the weak, left out in the cold. Watched all the sheep do what they're told, swore they would feast one day on their bones. Going to the streets that they called home, not for the weak, left out in the cold. Watched all the sheep do what they're told, swore they would feast one day on their bones. They took the form of a beast.
So yun na nga mga best, no? Ito na ba ang motor na babagi sa'yo? Kung ito na nga ay markahan mo na yan, mag-subscribe ka na sa aking YouTube channel. I-click mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa lahat ng videos na na-upload natin. Dito araw-araw, so laging tatandaan, wala sa brand ng motor ang itatagal yan. Kundi na sa pag-aalaga mo yan, tatagal yan, ayos na ayos yan. So kita ka na lang ulit tayo bukas. I'm Mark D. Ciao. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Babush.